Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, it is awesome to have you. If you are a returning subscriber, it is so awesome to have you back. Today is kitchen cleaning day. So my oven needs a cleaning, my microwave needs cleaning, and generally it just all needs a good wipe down. And so I'm just gonna take a power hour of trying to see how far I can get in my kitchen. I mean, let's face it, those details like oven cleaning, I don't know, I don't like it because I just don't have time for that, but it does get a little nasty after a while. I mean, you prepare food in there and then it's just like when there's dried on, caked on stuff, it's a little nasty and it starts burning and smelling weird. So yeah, here we go, cleaning my kitchen. If you are new to my channel, welcome. It is so nice to have you. I hope you gain loads of motivation from this video today. If you like the video, consider subscribing. I upload videos about cleaning, motivation, organizing, decluttering, home projects, healthy lifestyle, minimalism, and just generally having a healthy lifestyle with a family. If you are a returning subscriber, it is so awesome that you're here. Thank you for returning. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me just let the music play and hopefully you'll join in maybe or later after this video, get started on some good kitchen cleaning. I love me some blueberries for breakfast. I put them on my yogurt, and so I always wash them and put them in a glass container, so I always have some ready to go into my mouth. Since I am cleaning the kitchen today, I have been meaning to ask you guys, would you be interested in some videos about healthy meals? I am such a nerd when it comes to nutrition and healthy food. I have been reading books about nutrition and health and healthy lifestyle for the past few years. Probably dozens, if not even tens or hundreds of books about that because it's totally my passion. And I would love to share more recipes with you. I actually have a collaboration coming up soon where I will share some salad recipes, but that's still kind of secret. So let me know in the comments, what kind of healthy recipes would you be interested in? Is it more like a quick food that you can make, or anything like maybe to take on the go? I love prepping. Whenever I go somewhere or I travel, I try to take something with me so I don't have to eat junk food. So I'd be interested to know. Let me know in the comments what would be cool for you.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride.
Those of you who have followed me for a while know that I make my own cleaners, that I don't really buy harsh chemicals. I think cleaning the oven, the best thing you can do is actually scrub. And I actually have those steel wool pads. They work so well. All I use is my all-purpose cleaner that I make myself out of dish soap. You need the dish soap to dissolve any grease. And then if you want to, if it's really bad, you can add some baking soda for extra scrubbing power, and have a little bit of vinegar in there and some essential oils. And by the way, lemon and orange essential oils are really awesome to cut the dirt and the grease also. And that's what I use for pretty much anything, including toilet cleaning, and it works so awesomely. Basically, I only buy 4 products for the entire house to clean everything. It is so cheap. It goes a long ways, and it doesn't just stink up the home. It also doesn't have a really strong smell, which I don't really like. I like fresh air smell and then maybe some essential oils, but I don't like chemical smell. I just can't stand it anymore these days. Chemicals are just, I don't know, they're harsh. Once you haven't used them for several years, you actually start just noticing how bad it is for your body. Again, same thing with the baking sheets. That steel wool really scrubs the heck out of those baking sheets, no matter what's baked on. And it works so well. Basically, I just use dish soap, and that's all, just to loosen up the grease. And other than that, I'm just using my physical scrubbing power here.
I got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about. And while the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless. I keep on pouring salt on my wounds.
I love those silicone baking mats. They're so helpful. I have not bought any baking paper or parchment paper for actually a couple years because this works so well. You can use it over and over again. This one happens to have a hole, but it still works really great.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel yourself.
And as you know, the first thing and the last thing you should do to get a nice clean kitchen is shine your sink. And that's what I'm doing last. It just feels good to have a nice clean sink.
Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too.
Isn't it just so satisfying to have a clean kitchen? I mean, it never stays clean. I'm about to have to make lunch, so here we go with a clean kitchen, but at least I have a clean slate to work on or to work from, and until next time, right? So thank you so much for watching today. Give the video a thumbs up if you loved it, and if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you. Let me know in the comments how your day is going, how your kitchen is. What is the worst for you to clean? What do you hate the most? I love talking to you in the comments, and I would love to stay in touch with you. Have a most blessed week. I hope to see you soon, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Healthy Minimalist Mom. See you soon. Bye.